Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious elbow macaroni salad. First, gather all your ingredients, including 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Cook the macaroni according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente. This usually takes about 7 to 9 minutes. After cooking, rinse the pasta thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the macaroni from sticking together, ensuring a perfect texture for your salad. Now, let's create that creamy, tangy dressing. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Next, add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar for a touch of sweetness. Whisk these ingredients together until smooth. Finally, season the dressing with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking, ensuring a balanced flavor profile. With our dressing ready, it's time to add some crunch and color. Finely dice 1 cup of crisp celery and 1/2 cup of red onion. These fresh vegetables add a wonderful texture and flavor contrast. Now, add the drained macaroni and the diced vegetables to your prepared dressing. Gently fold all the ingredients together until everything is evenly coated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can break down the pasta. Almost there. Cover your macaroni salad tightly and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making the salad even more delicious. Before serving, give it a good stir and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley if you like. It's perfect for picnics or potlucks. And hey, for more great kitchen tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.